Hey girl, I'm buying my favorite light to everybody in the company. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another day, it's another month, it's another country. But anyways, I just got the keys to my place. Let me show you guys. I just got the keys and I'm really excited. I like the fact that it's really lighted up and stuff. It's really bright. And yeah, I got some things I need to arrange right now. And I need to get food because I'm really hungry and head back to Kitchener. I'm so excited, y'all. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's another day in another city. My city finally, and in my apartment. I got a place very close to where I'll be going to, so it's really good. But yeah, I'm the only one currently in the apartment. It's a basement apartment and I'm the only one here. And spending money with me. I want you guys to spend it with me. I don't even know what to say anymore. I'm so not used to. I don't know if I should say that because I've not been on YouTube in a really longest time. But welcome to my channel. Welcome to another vlog. And spend it there with me. And then we'll do some unboxing also. And yeah. Just went to Walmart and I got a few things. I got some containers. Store my food when I cook. Body wash, hand wash. I got some airwick. Well, this is for the spices, thyme, curry, crushed chili pepper, toothpaste, because this is the only thing I can use right now. And I saw this really cute cutlery. It was so cute. This is not gonna hurt my mouth, by the way. Got this tissue paper and a bit of cereal. I don't really eat cereal like that, but you know, some mornings I just want to like flap something and go real quick. Tomatoes, and I got this also 3-in-1 Nature Valley. I have a tiny pack of rice, basmati rice. But it's not the show. This is it. My friend got me pots. I'm so happy about this. I'm so excited. Oye, I love you so much, girl. Guys, I'm done. It's so cute. This is rubber. Well, not rubber, but it feels really soft. This one feels really soft. But anyways, it's a 4-set, 2 fry pans in 2-size pots. So I'm gonna make sauce and rice real quick because I need to eat and get the day started and stuff. But yeah. They're so cute, y'all. Like, so cute. I can't even. So cute. It is. Hi guys, good morning. It's currently 2 p.m. And, oh, child. I am in a new country. I'm in a new city. You guys are so close to my face. I'm so sorry. I'm in a new country. I'm in a new city. I woke up quite late today, to be honest. I'm in Canada. I have so much videos to put out, so I'm sure when this one comes out, you guys already know where I am, obviously, because I would start editing and rolling out videos like this weekend, I think, or maybe next week. I'm not sure what the plan is gonna be, but yeah, there's so much going on. I left Nige July, and this is September, so it's like 2 months now. Yeah, I have a package coming in soon from Nige, from Lagos. Do you have DHL package? Yeah, it's a DHL package. I have some things inside I'm waiting for. It should be here in an hour's time. But yeah, I'm gonna show you guys much more. I was gonna do an unboxing and setting up my space. Y'all, I've just been so lazy and just living in the moment, to be honest with you. I should even call it living in the moment, but I've really just been on pause. I've been on pause for real. It's been crazy, things happening in front and at the back. But all in all, I really thank God. I really appreciate, give all thanks to God. You know, thanks to my family, my parents, my friends, and to me, obviously. You know, but yeah, I'm gonna start making videos. There's a camera currently. Let me show you guys. You got a camera. This is literally what's giving right now. My hand's literally in here. Boom. This camera, yep. So I'm gonna be editing a lot. I need to get like, so I'm really just not gonna play it, to be honest. This period. Get into it. I need to get into my YouTube bag for because I can't be slacking. I have a camera already. What else is gonna stop me? Because I've been wanting to get a camera. I feel like a camera. A lot of people say you can use your phone, start small. I'll be using my phone for a while, a long time, I'm not gonna lie. But I mean, there's still more things I want to get, obviously, you know. But at least I'm a step ahead. I'm one step closer to, at least I'm one step closer to, you know, my dream setup. But yeah, your girl is in Toronto. If you're in Toronto, you're good. You're like a really cool girl. I don't really like making friends. I really don't do like friends. But yo, let's hang out. Let's hang out. Anyways, I've yapped enough. Let's get that DHL bag, open up, and see what's going on. Hi guys. Yo, my package is not here yet from DHL, so I'm just gonna cook myself something to eat. I'm gonna make pasta. I had pasta last night, but I'm gonna make pasta. Okay, again. Water is boiling already. I need to build up things. I'm just gonna roll this fast because, guys. I need to chop my onions, my garlic. I was gonna do fresh pepper, but I'm just gonna use what's it called, chili flakes. Yo, you see? Yeah. Chili flakes. Curry powder. And thyme. Where's my salt? Yo. Left my salt in the room. I'm going to use this spice. I heard people talk about yeah, just spice, but I've never actually bought yeah, just spice. But when I was coming here, my friend when he told me to come yeah, just spice fan, I'm like, let me pick one. Let me pick one for myself also. So I picked one yeah, just spice. I'm gonna be putting it inside. I still don't know the difference. I don't know. So I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna use it today, sharp. Maggi. This is my mini. I need to get more Maggi. Rosemary. Got some giant prawns. Garlic. And a bulb of onion. Yeah. Guys, I want to show you guys this. Hold on. I think it's so cute. I don't know. I'm showing you guys this. But I find it so cute. It's wooden bag, wooden knife, and spoon. So cute. Food is ready. My big back self made tea. Why am I making tea? I have no idea. And whenever I take tea, I sleep. I think everybody sleeps when they take tea, to be honest. I take tea. I sleep when I take tea, and also I get bloated. But I'm at home today. Let's drink tea. And this is the pasta. I don't know if you guys can see. It's really tasty. It smells good too. Let me show you guys pepper. That's my baby. Do you see my pasta? You see my pasta? Got prawns in there. Got rosemary thyme. I told you guys everything already, sure. Oh, so good. Yeah. Anyways, let's go and eat. Excuse me. I'm hungry. Let's go. Guys, finally, my package arrived from DHL. Well, DHL decided to send me my package. I thought it was gonna come next week, Wednesday. But funny enough, it arrived today, and today is Friday. This is what? Today's Friday, and it was sent on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. 3 days, yo. 3 days. No wonder I paid so much money. I'm even hoping it was not even sent on Express, because Jesus. But anyways, it is here, and we're gonna open it. I meant to send a message. No.
Right now, we'll stick to flashlights. So, what's the plan if the power doesn't come back on? Buy a generator to run the TV?
I'm watching Haunted Hotel. And I'm enjoying it. I'm just not really concentrating, which I need to. My battery's low. I need to plug. Okay. Charging, right? Is it charging? I think so. Anyways, yeah.
Unfinished business is real?
Oh, real as a banana peel. If a ghost has unresolved hopes and or dreams, and you make those hopes and or dreams happen, they can move on. And maybe Phoebe just wants to watch the sunset, or meet a baby, or murder a rival. For a lot of ghosts, it's murdering a rival.
Okay. Where do I even start from? Okay. No. Okay. I don't even cut myself now. Because paper cuts are so painful. I'm last time I had one. I try not to have any. Try not to get any because these things are painful. Anywho. Okay. Oh my gosh. This is a lot. I don't know where to open it from. Oh. Ooh, that hurts. Ooh, that hurts. I need to really concentrate on this animation because it looks interesting. I'm just not giving it all my attention. Ooh. Why they put things on the laptop? All the things for my lashes because I'm starting the lash bit. Well, I don't think I told you guys, but I think I did in a vlog back last year. Was it last year? Yeah, last year that I was learning how to be a lash tech. See, I did that. I'm about to start that here. So I got my box, everything, my slippers, because I left it behind at the airport. I was so upset. So I had to ask for this to be sent to me. What do you mean I'm going to leave my MBDs behind? Never. I got my MBDs. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy. And then laptop. I also didn't crush this thing because Hi guys, it's the next day. I'm so tired, yo. What's the time? It is currently 6:00. What's the time? Yeah, it's currently 6:09. What did they do again? What? It's currently 6:09, and I just had a little snack, quick snack. I got McD's. I shouldn't have done that, but I just wanted something to eat real quick because I didn't want to eat what I have at home. I just got something like, I'm just here doing my assignments. I have 2 assignments due, so I'm doing that. I have 2 tests due. 2 tests due for tomorrow. I keep looking here. I should be looking here. I have 2 tests due for Monday, so I need to do that. Like, one I've not started at all. I'm about to start that one right now, while the other one is done. This is one of it. I know it looks crazy, but it's a rough work. I need to sketch out something I need to do, and then this other part I've not even done it at all. Well, I have started, so it's on OTL HR. Is the typographer? I think it's a typographer. Yo, I can't remember who that man is, and I'm working on him. Well, that sounds weird, but like my assignment is on him. I need to research about him and put things together and create something around him. You get the vibe? But anyways, yeah, I have that, and I have tests on Monday, so I need to read. Please God, I beg. I need to read this article. I've done that already, but I just need to brush through. And then this article. This is my class, my notes. I just need to go through that one for Monday test, and then I need to submit this one and then do this one. Anyways, I'm just boring you guys at this point. But yeah, my hair, I need to refresh my hair for class on Monday. Yep. Nothing much is going on, honestly. I'm just here watching YouTube. I'm watching jazz. I don't know if you guys watch jazz. Let me show you guys. I'm watching right now. I'm watching jazz. I really love to watch jazz. Please just don't know where I look. Please, I'm begging of God. Currently, it's currently 10:36 a.m. and I'm going out. I'm traveling out of the city to another city to see a friend. So much is happening and I cannot. How to say I've not seen her in a while. I'm so lonely, yeah, yo. I'm about to take a shower. I'm about to have my bath. I just finished cleaning up my space, the entire apartment, washed, cleaned everything. I'm not eating though. I'm gonna eat because I've not even brushed and it's 10. So yeah. We're gonna do that. I need to stop saying yeah. But let's go shower, run, have a bath. My bag is packed already. My cab is coming by 1:30. What did they say? Yeah, 1:30 p.m. and it's currently 10:37. So I'll still have a lot of time, right? Yeah, like roughly 2 hours. I already did laundry. I did laundry. I cleaned, washed. Yeah, clean, still wash, but yeah, clean, did laundry, bags are packed. At this point, I think I'm just repeating myself because I'm so tired, y'all. My fear for the day is picked out already. Nothing crazy, nothing serious, to be honest, because I'm gonna be sitting in the cab all through the trip, and once I get to a place, I'm gonna be sitting down again and just catching up and cuddling. That's all I want to do, just cuddle with my friend. Yeah, and this hair needs to be gone. Now the thing is, I don't even know when I can make my hair. I don't know when I can do this because yo, today is Friday. Tomorrow I have stuff to do tomorrow, and then I'm gonna be back. I'm gonna be on the road again on Sunday here. So I don't know what I want to do to my hair, to be honest with you, because I look mad. I need to change this hair. It's not giving. Pretty much say hey babes, because I feel like most people that watch me are girls, or like everybody that watches me is a girl. Every single person is a girl. Anyways, I'm done. I'm dressed. I need to move back so you guys can see the fit. Ow. Anyways, this is the fit. You study just on the right. You study just wanna turn this bottom. You study just wanna. It goes, I'm buying everything right to everybody in the car. Let's go. It's no, I'm bringing up slow. One time we back once more. Everybody around. It's currently 11:25. Let's get ready to eat something. I need to eat something. I need to eat something. I don't know if I should make. Should I have the mini rice? Or I should have cereal. I think I'm just gonna have rice, to be honest, because it's really small. Yeah, I'm gonna have rice. Yeah. Rice it is. Rice it is. Also have leftover food from Bourbon Grove. Like what alright. It's not much. I'm just gonna add my jollof rice. Add my jollof rice to my, what's this called? Chinese fried rice? Yeah. This is what we, yeah, this is my breakfast. Oh. Yo. I didn't put my feet together to show you guys, but anyway, I think guys on my feet already. On my way. I wait for my Uber. Well, not my Uber. I wait for my cab guy to get here. Look at this chunky ass cat. Oh my gosh. I wish I could show you guys. The cat is so chunky. Anyways, wait for my cab guy to get here. It's close by. He said it was gonna be here in 5 minutes, but it's past 10 minutes and I'm just standing outside. It's getting crazy. The sun is so hot today. It was raining yesterday. It rained off, like it rained throughout yesterday. Now it's sunny. Wow. I don't know where this guy is, and I don't want to go back inside. Anyways.